Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, question 7, WASSCE September 2024. We are to make x the subject of the relation y equals to the root of px divided by r, all minus r squared x. So in making this, these are the options we are to choose from. Let's write the question again, which is y equals the root of px on r minus r squared x. If you have any equation that contain square root, the best option is to find the square of both sides so that we can take care of the square root. So we are going to square both sides. We are squaring both sides of the equation. That means that y squared equals to the root of px on r squared x, all these square, whereby the square will cancel the square root because the square root is also a power of half, meaning half of 2 become 1. So this will give you y squared equals to a px freed divided by r, all free away from the square root, minus r squared x. All right, in this you'll be thinking of sending the r squared x to the other side, but because we are having the s and the x, we need to group that x at one part so that we can factorize. So the next step to do is to multiply through by r. So if you multiply here, it becomes ry squared equals to r times px r squared x times what? R. So we can fast forward and get this. The r will cancel. Px minus r squared r cubed x. We can see x being common, so we factorize that. So this will give you ry squared equals to x dividing px will give you only p. X dividing r cubed x will give you r cubed only. So now your x is alone, is now 1, multiplying this as a factor. So we divide both sides by that, and that will make your x to be equals to ry squared divided by p minus r to the power 3. And among the options, that will be the option A in this question if you are to make x the subject. All right, I believe well understood. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.